Namaste to all. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Bird flu refers to flu among birds, especially domestic poultry. This can be misleading to understand as it is in fact a zoonosis through strains of influenza type A virus. There are many strains of bird flu, but cause of concern for humans have been H5N1, S7N9, H5N6, H5N8. Suspect bird flu in people presenting with flu symptoms along with a pink eye. It usually takes 3 to 5 days for the symptoms to appear after you have been infected. Bird flu is not contagious and person to person spread is not common. Complications can be pneumonia, acute respiratory distress syndrome, bacterial infections, sepsis, respiratory failure. Diagnosis is by throat and nasal swab. Treatment is by neuroaminidase inhibitors. Bird flu can be prevented by hand washing, properly handled and cooked food, especially chicken, avoiding contact with live birds and poultry, avoiding touching, drinking unpasteurized milk, and eating raw eggs, getting a flu shot. Poultry workers should take extra precautions. Alvida, and do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.